All right, here we go. All right, 2 hours later, setting up VS Code with continue with my two large language models. One of them 14 billion parameters and 128K context, and the other one is 32 billion parameters, and I don't remember the context, but it's less context than 128. So we're in. Everything is a green light. It took a minute. Something is loading down there. I don't know what's loading down there. I don't like it, but let me check all our extensions real quick. Yeah, that's good. I got all that. I got all that. I wonder if I need to run a container. Something that canceled. What got canceled? I don't know. Yo, what the fuck is going on, dude? What the fuck, dude? I don't like that fucking shit at all, man. I do not like that shit at all. So like, every time I open fucking files, it's gonna fucking close. You know? Like what the fuck is that? You know what I'm saying? Like what the fuck, dude? That's fucking stupid. I don't like that shit at all. Mm, the files are still okay. Thank you. Hey, listen. Something is constantly loading at the bottom right next to between GitHub and continue. Something is constantly loading. I don't know what it is. Also, the chat tab is on the left side, and every time I open files, the chat disappears, and I have to open a new chat. And what the fuck is that shit, dude? You know? Oh, Python interpreter. Okay, what's constantly loading is the Python interpreter, and yeah, so every time I open files, the continued chat disappears. I'd like to get the continue chat on the right side of the screen away from the left toolbar. And then also, what did you, so if I want the AI to learn my code base, which one do I use? The 32 billion or the, or the 14 billion? Also, we should have RAG. So should I tell it to run RAG? What do I do here? Do I do anything different than as if I was using Codex? Did you fucking fix it? I don't think you fucking fixed it. I don't think you fucking fixed it, dude. So what are you saying? I gotta give it a certain prompt for certain things? I'm never gonna remember that shit, dude. Never. Fucking A, man.